In this module, we took a look at directives. We saw how we needed a selector in the metadata, and we saw how to attach them to components or other DOM elements and use them to modify the DOM. We also took a look at pipes. We saw a lot of the built-in pipes in Angular, and we saw some code on the Angular I/O website and how to create our own pipes. Next, we looked at animation. We saw how to install the animations package, import it properly into our module, and then set up a trigger. We saw how to attach the trigger to an element and how to change the state of the animation so that the animation gets performed. I gave you some notes on lazy loading and how we can make sure that a module isn't eagerly loaded at startup. And I gave you some notes on AOT compilation. That's ahead of time compilation. And with that, we can avoid sending the Angular compiler down to the client every time. It also speeds things up by being pre-compiled. And all around, it just makes everything faster for our application, especially on mobile. Finally, we looked at unit testing. We saw how the Angular CLI automatically creates a spec testing file for us. We saw how it used Jasmine functions, and we saw how to execute the tests. So now you've been exposed to pretty much every major feature in Angular. We've seen examples of pretty much everything, from components, directives, pipes, and services, through routing and navigation, and all these other features that make up Angular. I hope you enjoyed this course, and good luck building your Angular applications.